Hi everybody. I'm always looking for extra charging ports to charge my uh, mobile battery, uh, tablet battery, torch battery, drone batteries, and all other batteries that need recharging. So I've decided to install one of these, which is uh, a dual socket with four outlets on it. They're 2.1 amp, 5 volts of course, and you'll notice at the back you've got your standard positive, negative, and you'd need to run two circuits to your battery. But I'm going to run it off one circuit, and it's just a bit of fiddling around, and I thought I'd show you how I do it, which may help somebody that intends to install these. But once they are installed, I mean, it gives you four outlets, which is pretty good. So let's get to it, and I'll show you how it's done. So what I've done here is connected the positive terminal of this switch to the positive terminal of the other switch, and joined another positive wire onto this terminal, and this will go to the battery. Now the same with the negative. I'll connect the negative of that switch onto the negative of the switch next to it. If I can get it on. It's a bit fidgety. And a negative wire attached to that negative there, and that will go to the negative of the battery. So in that way the circuit will just go to these two wires onto one switch there, which are joined as shown there. So we'll go down to the caravan now and install this. Now the battery I'm going to connect to is located under the front bunk here, and the switches would be best placed next to these other switches. So I think about there, under the seat, and then I can wire it from the back, if you can see there. There's sufficient room here for the extra wiring to go in. Now I've marked the centre of these terminals just with a pencil, so they're roughly going to go there. And I'm going to use one of these drills. Okay, this is the finished product. The two chargers, or dual chargers, in place. The on-off switch here switches on and they come on. I'll just show you how they light up. Now it's a little bit crooked, but I think I'll be able to straighten it up when I put the screws in to screw it down. Now I'll just show you the wiring. I haven't been able to show you how I did it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. So this is how it's wired up. The positive, if we can see it here, goes to the switch, and the other positive comes off the switch and goes directly to the battery, and the earth wire goes directly to the earth on the battery. Now this wire here is the earth for the on-off switch. If you don't earth that, the light won't work. Well, that's about it. I couldn't wire it to my fuse box because it's fully utilised, so I had to do it directly to the battery, but I found an old 10 amp fuse here that I've used, so the chargers only draw, well, it was about 8 amps, 9 amps, so I've got a 10 amp fuse in there, so that should keep everything nice and safe. Anyway, that's the installation part. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. It just goes to show that any old mug can do these little jobs. So I hope I've helped anyone out there that might be considering doing something like this. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.